So ma'am, today I will be performing drainage shaving as I rendered from the doctor's order of bleach shaving. So this shaving is, the purpose of this is hygienic and cranial care, and also in preparation for any surgery to have a clear field So first is, I will now
by closing the curtain.
so after explaining it, I'll show you the
Next is I'm going to prepare the equipment seated.
So I have my equipments here, which are the bi-iodine legends, here is receptacle, my razor, my Sidex, my cotton balls, my gloves, and then water or the NSS or sterile water.
Okay, sir. Next is I am going
Okay, I'm position my patient now in a dorsal recumbent. So ma'am, bend your legs please. Thank you. Do you have any towel to drape your abdomen area, since I will be exposing only your cranial area where I will be working on? Okay, thank you.
Next is I am going to assist the client in a dorsal recumbent position. Then I'm going to place a bedpan under the buttocks of the patient.
Do you feel alright right
Sir,
now?
can you please lift
So
your
if you
leg?
feel any uncomfortability or discomfort during the procedure, and pain, just tell me, ma'am.
Thank you. Next is I am
Great.
performing my hand washing and donning the gloves. I am going
Preparing
to
this.
get this picture here with plain NSS.
Picture with the NSS. Can you lift your hips, ma'am, for me,
Can I
please?
hold it? Or you can also use directly the
Okay,
NSS
thank you.
solution and pour it over to the perineum of the patient. So then, using the picking forceps, I am
Okay,
going
also
to
using this. Can you
get this cotton here. So assuming this is soaked with a betadine solution, I am going to cleanse the perineum of the
Ma'am, I will
patient.
now start with your cranial care. First, I will
Making sure to
incorporate
discard
this
it after each
NSS
stroke.
to soften your ear. After that is, I will be
Next is I am now going to start the shaving. But before that, I'm going to ask the patient what's his preferred shaving type. So sir, do you prefer complete partial or mini crab
allergic with
complete shaving?
peptide,
Okay, sir, we'll
and
do
also
complete shaving.
latex.
And then I will get this razor, making sure this is clean and sharp. And then I'm going to start shaving, starting from the mons pubis down to the perineum of the patient.
I'll now start with the shaving.
Please
So
ensure
ma'am,
to
I will be
stretch the
shaving
skin
from your
before
mons pubis
shaving
to
to
your
prevent from
cranium,
skin
which means
irritation
I'm
and
shaving all of
injury.
your pubic hair. So first, I'm going to be touching your intimate area, so if you feel any discomfort, just tell me.
After shaving is,
Okay, thank you.
we're going to pour or rinse the perineum of the patient using the plain NSS.
Tell me if you have any discomfort.
And then next is, I'm going to ask the client to lift his hips again because we're going to remove the bedpan and then pat dry the perineum. Make sure to use a dried cherry cotton ball and just do it like this.
Okay, after shaving all of your pubic hair, miss, is I will be now rinsing you with and that is
Sir, can you lift your hips, please?
sure to
Okay, sir, thank you.
damp.
Then we're going to place this here. And then we're going to ask the patient again to lift his buttocks because we're going to remove the absorbent pad.
Okay, you lift your hips, miss.
And then we're going to assist the patient into
Procedure
a
is now
comfortable
done.
position.
Procedure
And
is now
then
done.
discard the equipment's use. Remove the gloves.
report any abnormalities.
Perform hand hygiene
Can you lift your legs
and
again?
then document the findings.
Thank you. Now you can straighten your legs again and cover your ears. Sure in discarding all of the weights used. Then perform hand hygiene. Go to the station so you can document.